friends and family, and welcome back to another unboxing. Look at this teeny tiny box. I think it's one step away from being called Boxycharm. Yeah, in my head that was funny. Anyway, it's not so much the size of the box, it's what's in the box. So if you are interested in seeing if this little tiny box holds its value, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, friends and family, welcome back to our channel. As you see, we are going to unbox Boxycharm Base, which is a $25 a month subscription, and you receive 5 full-sized items. The box is getting tinier by the month. I don't know what that means. If it's a bad thing, it's a good thing. I do not know. We are yet to see. Also, if you are new, thank you for joining. Hi, hello, and welcome. If you are returning, I appreciate your support in dealing with me. I appreciate that more than you even know. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what this tiny box holds. Look at this. Look at this. So you do always receive a card with the theme. It looks like this month's theme is Go All Out. And then you do receive a list of your items and the prices. So we will go through that. Alright, so, alright, here is a sneak peek of what is behind the card. So let's start with this. This is the Avant Hyaluronic something, what? Marquise Aqua Collagen Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. Right? It says Eye Final. Yeah, Eye Final Touch. I know Avant is a very expensive brand. This is $134 itself. What? I am not sure how I feel about Avant. The things that I have tried, I don't feel like they've been impression lasting. Not quite a gimmick, but also definitely not something I could ever remember saying, oh, that's a great product. Oh, I'm so excited. So there's that. I'm not even going to open this because I don't need another eye serum. So we'll put that to the side. And if I had enough subscribers and commenters, I would totally be doing a giveaway, you guys. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Subscribe today. Did you subscribe? Alright, anyway, so there's that guy. The next thing on here is the Volition Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. Here is that. I am going to open the box, but I'm not going to open the stuff because I'm not going to use it. Alright, here it is. Here it is in action. It looks like it has a little pump here. Like I said, I'm not going to open it because this would be going in a giveaway if I had people to give it away to. This is a $49 daily treatment oil with hibiscus flower and licorice root to minimize the appearance of dark spots and discoloration as it soothes and nurtures. So that is nice. You guys know I love to receive makeup more than skincare. So looks like this is a skincare heavy box. This is a RT Serum plus Vitamin E RT Retinol Stimulating Targeted Treatment Luminous Complexion for all skin types. Whew, that's a lot. Claire from Clara's New York. Again, I will open the box, but I will not open the product. Alright, this one also has an eyedropper type thing. It says this activating blend is formulated with retinol adaptogens and age 9 to help improve overall skin texture, protect the skin from free radicals, and moisturize the skin. Use daily for brighten and younger looking skin. I'm not going to use it. So 3 for $3, not going to use. This cost $24.99. All right, looks like we may actually have a couple of beauty products. This is Pure Lease Age Glow Serum BB Cream SPF 40. So I do love having SPF in my makeup because it's helpful. I burn very easily, and this stuff, it really does help and it does work. This is in the color medium, it looks like. So here is what she looks like. And it is sealed. I will be using this, so I am going to open it. Let's see. It is obviously a squeeze tube. So there we go. Yep, looks like it is a good color. The medium is good. It looks a little light actually, but it does definitely match my skin tone. So I do like that. That is very pretty. Feels very nice also. I do like that. I can feel the hint of SPF. Oh, in fact, I can smell it. Not bad at all. Very light scent. I do like it. Happy. I'm very happy with this product. Okay, what was the price on this guy? This was $38 there. And then we have a little teeny tiny shadow flip multi-chromatic shifting liquid shadow. Look at how gorgeous that is. This is from Ciate London. So I am excited about that. Looks like the color is called Ember. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I like it already. I don't know. It kind of looks a little bit dry, but we will see. All right, and we will put that on thy skin. So it does go with the name Ember. I really like that. It does look very fallish, and it does look like when the leaves change colors, like how the sunset looks in our mountain silhouettes. I love it. Ooh, I love it a lot. How much was this little guy? This was $20 by itself. So, here's the box. Let's do a recap of this little mini boxy bag. Boxy baggy charm. Baggy charm. I'm gonna start calling it baggy charm. Anyway, yeah, my mind went on its own thing. Okay, so we got the eyeshadow flip. We've got the BB cream. Keep in mind, these were the only 2 makeup products in this box. We got the retinol serum. We got the hibiscus unspottable correcting oil and the eye cream. What do I think about this box? Well, it is only $25, so I can't be too disappointed because really this pays for more than the box. This over here would be in a giveaway. I'm not excited about that. I know a lot of you guys would prefer the skincare over the makeup, but that is not why I subscribe to Boxycharm. I just want to mention that. I do not think it was the best box ever. It is what it is. If you love skincare, this would be a great box for you. Other than that, I'm going to rate it a 2 out of 5. Okay? So there's that. Let me know what you guys thought. Do you feel like Boxycharm is becoming more skincare products? Because I personally do. And it doesn't matter which subscription it is. It kind of just varies. Last month, my... No, that was base. Because last month's premium was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Takeover, and that was all makeup. So yeah, you know, this is the 3rd skincare box I've gotten in a row, which means I've received one every month for the last 3 months. I mean, it took a genius to know that, right? But anyway, I was sort of feeling like it didn't matter if it was just base, premium, or luxe. Oh, that's what it was. The last luxe was all skincare, and I was really bummed because it's a $50 subscription. It's an upgrade from your base box. So I was bummed about that because that's a large dollar amount for a skincare box when you are wanting all makeup. But anyway, let me know your thoughts, what you think. I'm not quite ready to cancel yet at this point. Again, it's $25. I might hang in there and see what happens in the, future. We shall see. But anyway, thank you guys for joining. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I don't know why I can't breathe all of a sudden. Follow me on Instagram. I also do swatches and little videos of all of the things that I get in the subscription boxes. It's really fun over there, or at least I think so. So I would greatly appreciate it if you follow me there as well. And we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.